Well, hi guys, do you have a filter car like mine? You need something that's great for cleaning up those cracks, those crumbs, all those stains? Well, this might be the product for you, so stay tuned. Whoa, what do we have here, guys? This is awesome. Thank you, Dreame, for sending me out this awesome stick vacuum, the V10. I'm super excited here at Robot Masters because we can try out something that I haven't tried out on this channel before. So, we got up to 60 minutes of runtime on its standard mode. We also have 99.9% of the captured filtration effectiveness, which means that basically dirt won't get leaked out of the vacuum. So that's awesome for allergens and people who are sensitive to dirt. And lastly, you can get this thing set up in 0.3 seconds. Quick setup. I want to try that, but we'll go ahead and look at the box and get this guy unopened. Or open. Why do I keep saying unopened? Oh, my mind today. Whew. Okay, let's go ahead and get this guy spin around. Give you guys a quick look there. Nothing too fancy, just some warning labels. And here it is. Oh, I can barely twist this thing around. Wow, very sleek looking bottle. Resembles of like an Apple product. Very nice. And here's some more information. And we're back in the front here. Alright, guys, don't play with knives. I'm a professional. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this mounted. It comes with some hardware for the drywall, so it's really easy to install. So one thing to know is make sure this is facing downward. Also, the power cable's off to the right there, so that's just one thing to consider. So I'm going to put this about eye level. And once you have it lined up, all you do is just mark it. Okay, I got my 2 holes marked up. Drill. Okay, I drilled the 2 holes into my drywall. Put the 2 little retainer clips in the drywall so the screws don't pop out. I got the 2 plastic clips in my drywall. Next we're going to go ahead and screw it in. It's just a standard Phillips screwdriver that is required. So it's real easy, it's all mounted up. All you do is just take the end of the vacuum and it lines up here. That's it. Minimalistic design. Also, it's a clear canister so you can see how much dirt is in a dustbin. Also, you have these 2 airflow vents. What's unique about this vacuum is as the air flows in, it actually cools down the motor and also actively cools the battery. So the battery doesn't overheat and maintains that strong suction throughout the life of the battery charge. Okay. So now I can clean my camera lens. Very cool. Here's a quick look underneath the vacuum cleaner. So this system is very simplistic. You don't have a screen, you actually just have this physical toggle here for the standard, normal mode, and max mode. On max mode, you can go up to 22,000 pascals of suction. Very unique. So you notice that battery indicator kind of lets you know how much battery power you have left for your charge. Okay, so here's your crevice tool. Great for getting the dirt debris from cracks, maybe from like the tracks of your sliding doorway. What's unique about this tool is you press this button right here. You also can slide it down and just get more of a plastic section. Very cool. We have a flexible hose, so if you need a job that requires more flexibility, here we go. And it extends a little bit. So they don't call this a stick vacuum for nothing. Here's this actual stick part of the vacuum. It allows you to get to the hard to reach areas. It's about 4 feet long. Very nice. Unfortunately, it's not extendable. Hey guys, when was the last time you cleaned on top of your cabinets? Probably never. Alright, well, slap on your extension wand, your floppy, I don't know what this thing is called, and your little suction nozzle, and you're good to go. You also have the ability to shorten the hose, and you can also get up on top as well. Just be careful. Got my step stool. Gonna go ahead and climb up to the bisque. Okay, so we got the main motorized head here. It's a soft foamy style cleaning head. One thing to note is this guy has a air vent right here. Also, you know that it's a power tool since it has the two power prongs right here. And the head itself is very flexible to allow a lot of maneuverability. Okay, now it's time to watch me struggle. As I try to move this heavy fridge by myself, you can clearly see that I need to go back to the gym and work out because I think the fridge is going to defeat me. What makes the Dreame V10 unique is the price. At less than $300, it offers a lot of value for the proposition. You get two power heads. You get the standard one, which I'm using in this demonstration, but you also get the smaller head, which is great for like the collar or smaller areas. Also, this thing has 2200 pascals of suction, which can run for about 10 minutes. But in this demonstration, I'm on slow power mode, which I could run this thing for about an hour, depending on what tool I'm using. So if you like this type of video, please smash the like button. It really helps me gauge if this video is popular. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nathan. Consider subscribing because this channel is focused on cleaning products. I also do a lot of tech reviews. I do robot vacuums and anything that kind of relates to real world testing. So you see this dust behind here? I wasn't able to get with this motorized head. So what's unique about this guy is you just press a single button. You can remove this attachment. And now I got something that's more proper for this area. Alright, I'm good to go. Okay, all those cobwebs are gone, and I'm good to go. Here's another extension tool for like the crevices or for getting deeper cleans on your sofas. Again, you can press this little button right here, and it gives you the bristles, or you can use plastic. Very nice. I like that design. So here's the mini head. This is why I'm super excited about the V10 is I can actually go into my car, clean it out with this tiny little head. This is kind of a stiff bristle design. And again, you got your prongs right here, knowing that it's a power tool. So I'm excited to see how well this little mini head works. Okay, so you see all this nasty stuff on my stairs? Well, I haven't cleaned these for probably a year, ever since I bought the house. So all you have to do is grab the handheld tool and the motorized tool, and you're good to go. Let's go ahead and go on max mode again. I'm pretty sure this is not how you vacuum. I'm not a professional, sorry. Alright, so the stairs look all nice and clean. Last thing I want to show you is this instruction manual. Very nice. It comes in multiple languages, but kind of tells you the different tools and what you can use them for. Very cool. I found that the Dreame V10 was very versatile, getting the cracks and crevices of my car seat, also being able to get into those grooves of the floor mat. One thing to note is I did run it on medium power and it did really well. Also, you can do it on high power to get the extra suction on the carpet. The Dreame V10 offers a lot of features and functionality for the price. At around $269, you can't beat it. Also, the suction is quite good. Usually don't have to run it on its max mode. You can get away with the low powered or on its medium powered. In this demonstration, I'm on its low power mode and it's doing fine picking up the dirt and debris on my hardwood floors. But if you have carpet, you can kick it up to its medium power mode or even on its high power mode. So you guys have a great rest of your day, and if you have any questions about the product, please shoot me a comment down below. Also, I do a lot of challenges, so if you want to see something, let me know down in the comments as well. And thanks again, Dreame, for sending me this stick vacuum out for review. And you guys, again, have a great rest of the day. Be safe out there, and I'll see you guys next time.